ngobrol tentang di konteks di UM Boga. Makanya dibayarin Delvi, oke?
Tidak.
Ah. Dadah.
Last Monday morning, my friends and I decided to study together at UM Boga Canteen. It was around 8 a.m. and the weather was quite nice. Although the canteen was not too crowded yet, we chose a table near the stand of food. After finishing our meal, we continued studying for a little while before going back to class. It was such a productive and fun morning. Studying together at UM Boga Canteen not only helped us prepare for the exam, but also strengthened and our friendship.
After about 2 hours, we started to feel hungry, so we decided to order some food from UM Boga. We ordered noodles and iced tea. The food tasted delicious and we enjoyed chatting and longing we eating.